Are we up high? Are we up high, Elwyn? Whoa, hey? Oh, up high. We like this playground. Hey, Elwyn. Tell Dad, you like this playground? Yeah, sure do. You want to go down? You want to go down the slide? You going to climb down? Or are you going to go down the slide? Yeah, go down there. Let's go down the slide. Want to go down the slide together with Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, where's our pop? We get our pop. Here, you hold the pop, okay? Dad, get in here. And then you come. You ready? Okay, here we go down together. Whoa, we're filming it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, that was fun. Oh, was that cool? Was that cool? Yeah, that was fun, hey. Oh.
Please go down.
Yeah. Well, that was fun stuff. Oh, Callie coming down. Nice.
Shut up, Callie.
Yeah, Callie come down.
Sometimes when so I have like a Have you ever went to Costco?
Yeah, Costco's awesome. You been there? Hey, Elwyn?
Well, I went to a different Costco, and all the coke was suction cup coke.
Oh.
And I also got suction cup pop.
You want Dad to hold the pop? Okay, you gonna go roundabouts?
When I went, well, I actually lived
Dad spin it?
Dad spin it. I can spin it.
Okay, you gonna spin it, Callie? Okay.
Hold on.
Whoa, nice. Hey, Elwyn, you my little Seattle Seahawk? Do we like the Seahawks? Elwyn, tell Dad, you my little Seattle Seahawk? You gonna see Callie, okay. Alright, my little Seattle Seahawk. You gonna try and climb up that wall? Oh, okay. We're coming, I'm coming. Where are we going? You can't climb up the slides, Owen. Go up the stairs, buddy. Yeah. Climbing up the stairs. Come on, Owen. Hello. Hello.
You got bits?
Yeah. We up high, hey. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, should we go down the slide? We can go down too. Let's go down. No? Hi, Callie. Say hi, Callie. You coming up? Okay, we go up too. We go down the slide. Oh, Elwyn doesn't want to go down the slide. Sorry, Callie. I'll back it up.
Bye, Callie.
Bye, Callie. I've got kids.
Hello, everyone again.
Oh, she go down fast. Should we go up? You want to climb up?
No.
Dad gonna go up. You coming?
You're gonna go up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up. You wanna come? She gonna go down the slide, Elwyn? She's not gonna come up. She okay.
You find a snack?
Callie's Nana's just gonna stay down
So
there.
you remember you can't eat the shells, right? Only the nuts inside.
Yeah, can you help me open this?
Sure.
Oh, picnic.
We call her my Nana.
Yeah.
But she's actually our mom.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm tall, hey?
Yeah, that's my daddy.
Oh, nice.
You good?
Oh yeah, I see him.
You got it?
We call him my papa. Our papa.
Papa,
our
yeah,
papa, yeah.
nice.
Not-
Elwyn has a papa. Hey, you have a papa, Elwyn. Hey.
I have
Say, I'm Elwyn's dad, but he has a grandpa. We call him Papa.
Oh, do ya?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what we're called, Nana and Papa.
My dad is actually, did you know? My
Elwyn, you
Nana's
talking?
son.
You having fun? Yeah. Nice.
Don't see me.
Well, sure nice to meet you guys.
Don't put your feet in.
I know.
Okay.
Hey, it was sure nice to meet them.
Kelly, don't choke, right?
Elwyn, you gonna have a pistachio? She would give you one. It okay? No, you don't want one? Okay.
I don't poison.
Should we go down the slides or what?
We don't poison at all.
Or we just have a yeah.
Here, Cash.
We don't care.
Well, we're having a picnic. We're having a picnic right now.
Want a pistachio?
Don't eat the nut, right?
Oh, get a pistachio, Elwyn. Take one from her. Look at them, good.
Them good, good.
Well, take one. There you go. Okay, we gotta shell it. Don't eat it right away. Here,
No,
Open
he
up.
can take all the salt.
open up. Here, we gotta open it first. See?
No, it's those ones are salty.
There,
Yeah, I can reach it. Oh, you got
there. Take the nut. Say
Guys,
cheese.
we're not going to stay very much longer, hey? It's really cold out.
Oh, pistachios, nice.
Okay?
Yeah, we gotta go home too, Elwyn. Hey,
Okay,
we gotta go home soon.
Cashy, do it now.
Soon?
Yeah, say pretty soon, like right
Do
away.
you see that there's Callie's got a sandwich there too if you want?
Elwyn, can you say bye to our friends that we just made? Okay, we're gonna go home, buddy. Say bye. Say
Are
thanks.
you going down the slide?
Thanks for pistachios.
See, you're welcome, guys. Use your manners.
You gonna go down the slide, Elwyn?
Be careful.
Elwyn, let's go down the slide again. You and Dad, we'll go down the slide, okay? Come on.
Callie,
Dad, get in first.
Pardon?
you got it away, please.
There. There.
I'll go.
There we go. Okay, here we go. Ready? Going down the slide. Whoa. 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 Oh, we went down that slide. Dad lost the boot. Dad lost the boot.
Hello again.
Say hello. Okay, now we're gonna go, Elwyn. Say bye to Callie.
We gotta go too.
Yeah, they gotta go too. Say bye to Callie. Here.
Next time, when are you guys gonna come back?
Say probably tomorrow, hey? Oh, no, actually not till next week. Not till next week, Callie. Okay, Elwyn, say bye to Callie.
Bye, Holly.
Bye, Callie.
Bye.
No, look at Dad. Say bye to your friends. Bye, everybody. Okay, let's go. You going out again? Oh, I'm going on the quad again. Nice. Oh, ride that quad, buddy. Ride it. Nice.
Come on, buggy. Come make buggy.
Oh, riding buggy. Ride that buggy. Ride that buggy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 riding the buggy, whoa, whoa. That side? That side? Okay. Whoa, 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 ride a buggy. Oh, under the ropes. Oh, you gonna go through the hole? Oh, through the hole. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Oh, you crawling through there? You in the little dugout? Oh, crawling out the dugout. Hey. Oh, cool dugout. Oh, cool dugout. Oh, getting out.
Help me.
Help you what? Oh, I'm in the dugout. Oh, you in the dugout? Oh, you get out? Getting in? Gonna ride buggy? Okay. All right, that buggy. Ride that buggy. Oh, you got wind blowing in your hair.